guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again. So we're working on our fourth Minikit Monday challenge layout for the month of September, and it's going to be a simple layout as normal. I will be using the Auburn Lane papers, and off of this pad I am going to use this papers. I'm going to be using a lot of scraps from our previous layouts that we've done. I am using this as the base. We have this paper, and they're all scraps, guys, and this. So I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different papers. And then we are going to use the skinny sticker by Doodlebug. And also I'm going to scrapbook a picture of myself and my beautiful friend Bobbie. Hi Bobbie. Anyway, I'm going to put this on the side for now, and I'm going to start working on our layout. We're going to start with trimming the strip here. And then we're going to work on our papers here. I'm going to start with this paper here. I'm going to cut this to 4 by 8. Okay, and then we are going to cut this paper here again to the same size, 4 by 8. This is going to be a very quick, easy layout, guys. And then on this paper here, I'm going to cut this down to 5 by 9.5, so 5 inches on this way. Hold on. 5 inches this way by 9.5. This one is already cut to 3 by 12, and I'm going to leave it alone. That was a perfect scrap right there. And this is one that I'm going to cut to 3 by 6. So I'm loving using all my scraps, guys. Okay, so it's time to put this layout together. I am going to put this down first underneath. Then I was thinking doing this. And then I was thinking doing this. Then this. And then I printed my picture here with Bobbie using my Canon selfie. And I am thinking of putting this picture this way, and this one goes at the back right there. Now I just thought about it now that I have this layout down. I don't know if the letters will pop out. Change of plans, guys. I'm not going to use this, but instead, so I only have 3 letters to choose from, and this is the challenge of the Minikit challenge. I think I'm going to use this instead for my lettering. All right, so my thought process as I work on this layout, right? So let me go ahead and tack this down. Figure out how I'm gonna do this and tack everything down. I'm gonna start with this, putting it down here. So I'm gonna use this mat, and from the left side I'm going to tack it. I'm going to put a 3-inch difference over here. So basically this will end up to be in the middle of the layout. I'm going to put this right in the middle, or a little offset that way. So I'll have about 1/2 inch on here from this end to this end. Trying to center this, guys. I'm just eyeballing it now. Oh dear. I made a mistake because guess what I needed to put at the bottom here? Guess what we're going to do? We're going to lift again, but not that much because I'm just going to tuck. I'm just going to tuck this in towards the middle right here. So let me go ahead and tack this down. I'm going to try and center it. And then we're going to have this, and I'm putting it up there a bit. And then this one will go down a little bit this way. Then we're going to have the picture right there. If you notice, you'll see some numbers here because I kind of had to think ahead and figure out where what I'm going to use as the layers. So I'm just putting about a 1/4 inch over here, and then maybe 1/2 inch on top there, 1/4 inch on this side. I'm just, you know, just eyeballing it this, guys. And then this one is about 1/2 inch too on this side, and then a 1/2 inch on this side, and then 1/2 inch here at the bottom. I'm just layering and staggering them. And then we're gonna put this right there. Easy, huh? A lot of layers though. Okay, so there's our layout. Let me just finish up the title. And the title will be Bobbie and Me. Very obvious, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start playing with the letters, tacking them down. And we're done, you guys. Wasn't that an easy layout? A lot of scraps that I was able to use, a lot of layering in Bobbie and Me. There's a funny story about Bobbie and Me. So we were in a crop, and I happened to come in early. Bobbie came in and she goes, "Marissa, where am I gonna be sitting?" I said, "I don't know. The organizer put somebody next to me, some lady named Roberta, and I don't know who she is." And then Bobbie just took one look at me and started setting up next to me. Yeah, it was her. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me go through this layout process, and that you enjoyed watching and learn a little bit new with you know, layering and using your scraps. I'm putting together a layout just like so. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do like this layout. And that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys later. Be safe out there and see you later. Bye.